Good morning everyone. I am Rajiv Narayan Prasad, Assistant Professor, Marwadi College BBA Department. Today I am going to discuss on the topic consumer behavior of semester 6. Consumer. Consumer is the person who consumes the product. He may or may not be the buyer, and behavior means aggregate of responses made by any organism in any situation. Thus, consumer behavior can be defined as the sum total of how individuals and groups recognize and determine their needs and how does they make purchases to satisfy these needs. Marketing and consumer behavior are so closely related that the study of consumer behavior can be said to be the first step in refined marketing. Actually, if we'll go through the definitions of marketing, I am putting 3 definitions. According to Pyle, marketing comprises of both buying and selling activities. According to Paul Mazur, marketing is delivery of standard of living. And the third definition is the shortest and a good definition given by Philip Kotler, father of marketing. Marketing means meeting needs profitably. In the modern philosophy of marketing, consumer is treated as the king. His needs and wants are studied before making a product, and only those products will be produced and will be able to sold in the market that are according to the needs and wants of the consumers. In modern marketing, consumer becomes the fulcrum, the pivot point around which all marketing activities revolve for the balanced best interest of the concerned. Now, consumer behavior is a science of recent origin, and it has developed with the help of principles of other disciplines such as anthropology, sociology, economics, etc., which also studies human behavior. Now the second thing is, what is the need, benefit or importance of studying consumer behavior? हम अगर पानी भी एक गिलास पीते हैं तो उसका कुछ इंपॉर्टेंस होता है तभी पानी पीते हैं, नहीं तो पानी भी नहीं पिएगा इंसान. सो देयर मस्ट बी सम इम्पॉर्टेंस और नीड ऑफ कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर. द इम्पॉर्टेंस आर basis of all marketing activities. I have given you the definition of marketing. So consumer behavior is the basis of all marketing activities. Second one is basis of demand. Demand in simple terms can be explained as wants backed by ability to pay. So it is basis of demand also. Basis of supply, basis of forecasting, basis of production, basis of decision making. Do you know what is the decision making process? The decision making process have 5 steps. First one is need recognition. Second one is need recognition. Second one is evaluation of alternatives. Third one is evaluation of first one is need recognition, second one is information search, third one is evaluation of alternatives, fourth one is purchase decision, and fifth one is post purchase behavior. So it is also helpful or basis of decision making. Then it is consumer behavior studies also help in market segmentation. Market, अब हम इन शब्दों को तोड़ते हैं तो मार्केट मीन्स एन एरिया ऑफ पोटेंशियल एक्सचेंज. मार्केट सेगमेंटेशन, यहाँ पे मार्केट सेगमेंटेशन की बात हो रही है. मार्केट सेगमेंटेशन इज टू, I was telling about market segmentation. Market segmentation means dividing the total heterogeneous market into smaller customer divisions having certain homogeneous characteristics that can be satisfied by the firm. The basis of market segmentation are geographic, demographic, psychographic, behavioral and benefit. In some books you can find more basis of market segmentation than 5 points. कहीं 6 point है, कहीं 7 point है, but the generally 5 accepted points are these only: geographic, demographic, psychographic, behavioral and benefit. Now the next point is consumer behavior studies also help the marketer to understand the rationale of behavior of the consumers and their real needs and wants. The next point is consumer research studies help research and forecast the behavior of consumers. Now here comes the word research. Research word is made up of two words, re and search. To search again and again is called research. To search something intelligently and diligently is called research. So consumer behavior studies also help in research of consumer behavior. Now these are the some points. कुछ और पॉइंट्स भी हम लोग डील कर सकते हैं, जैसे कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर स्टडीज़ हेल्प द फॉलोइंग पीपल. फर्स्ट वन इज़ मार्केटर. मार्केटर इज़ अ पर्सन हु इज़ ट्राइंग टू सेल समथिंग टू सम अनदर पर्सन इन सिंपल टर्म्स. ये मार्केटर का डेफिनेशन है सिंपल टर्म्स में. सेकंड वन इज़ एंटरप्रेन्योर. एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप ये आपका इंटरमीडिएट में ही आपने पढ़ा होगा. एंटरप्रेन्योर इज़ अ पर्सन हु स्टार्ट्स अ न्यू बिजनेस एंड डज द डुअल फंक्शन ऑफ रिस्क टेकिंग एंड कंट्रोल. There are many definitions given in different books. Different scholars have defined in different way. They have opined in different way. But a generally accepted definition is entrepreneur is a person who starts a new business and does the dual function of risk taking and control. The third one is economist. Economist is a person who is expert in economics. इकोनॉमिक्स का यहाँ 3 डेफिनेशन बता देता हूँ मैं. पहला डेफिनेशन गिवन बाय एडम स्मिथ, इकोनॉमिक्स इज साइंस ऑफ वेल्थ. द सेकंड डेफिनेशन गिवन बाय अल्फ्रेड मार्शल, economics is the science of material welfare. The third definition and the most accepted definition worldwide is the definition given by Robbins. Economics is the science of scarcity in simple terms. इसको enlarge करेंगे, actually बताएंगे तो economics is a science that deals with human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means that have alternative uses. This is the most accepted definition worldwide of Professor Robbins. And the fourth person who is being benefited is consumer. Consumer is the person पहले ही बताया who consumes the product irrespective of the fact that whether he or she may be buyer or customer or not. So these are the points, these are the importance of studying consumer behavior. These are the people who are benefited by studying consumer behavior. So I have given you the introduction about consumer behavior, its origin, its importance. This is the first chapter and I have presented in front of you very precisely क्योंकि ये तो audio clip है. So with न्यू चैप्टर आई विल कम विथ डिफरेंट अलग अलग चैप्टर को अलग अलग ऑडियो क्लिप्स में मैं एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा. चलिए, थैंक यू फॉर हियरिंग मी. थैंक यू एवरीवन.